Hello everyone, I warmly welcome to JKL Maths. I am Lakshmikant. Today we are going to discuss this problem. Here a power b minus b power a is equal to 17. Then find a value and b value. Here a power b we can write as a power b whole power 2 by 2 is equal to here a power b by 2 whole square. Now b power a here b power a by 2 by 2. Same in this way, here a by this 2 in the denominator, here this 2 is a numerator value, here power 2. Now substitute these values in this equation. Then a power b by 2 whole square minus b power a by 2 whole power 2 is equal to 17. Let here x is equal to a power b by 2 comma y is equal to b power a by 2. Then substitute x value, y value in this equation. Then x square minus y square is equal to 17. Here a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Assume here in place of x a, in place of y b. Here x plus y into x minus y is equal to 17. Now here write factors of 17. What is the possibility what is the possibility of 17? 17 is a prime number, so we have the factors 1 into 17 or 17 into 1. But see here x plus y is a positive value, x plus y. If we add x plus y, we get bigger number. In this condition it is not possible. X plus y into is equal to 1, not possible. So we need to take x plus y as 17 into x minus y as 1. So here write x plus y is equal to 17, x minus y is equal to 1. Here x plus y is equal to 17, x minus y is equal to 1. Here plus y minus y cancel, so x plus x 2x is equal to 17 plus 1 18. Now cancel 2 1 ja 2 9 ja, x is equal to 9. Substitute x value in this equation. Then first equation 9 plus y is equal to 17, transpose 9 from LHS to RHS. Then 17 minus 9 is 8. X is equal to 9, y is equal to 8. So here x is equal to 9, y is equal to 8. Here in place of x we substitute a power b by 2 is equal to 9. In place of y we take the value b to the power of a by 2 is equal to 8. Apply both sides power 2. Then a power b by 2 whole square is equal to 9 square. Here also b power a by 2 whole square is equal to 8 square. Now cancel, here square, here 2 cancel, here 2, here 2 cancel. So remaining a power b is equal to 2 square 81. Here b to the power of a is equal to 64. Here a power b 81 we can write as 3 power 4. B power a we can write as 64, 4 cube. So from these two values, b value is 4, a value is 3. Here also a value is 3, b value is 4. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. Check 3 power 4 minus 4 cube is equal to 17. Here 81 minus 64 is equal to 17. 17 is equal to 17. Here LHS is equal to RHS. So this is proved. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Click bell icon button. Share this video with your friends.